Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. I got my Birchbox in the mail the other day. It's been sitting on my dresser for the past few days now, so I am just so excited. Yes, I am excited to open this box. I have been so preoccupied with making and filming other videos that I haven't been able to film this one yet. So I waited until now to open this box. So I'm really excited, and yeah, I can't wait. If you guys aren't familiar with Birchbox, it's pretty much just like my Sephora Playbox subscription. So it's a monthly subscription. You pay $10 on the first of every month. So I'm subscribed to Birchbox, Sephora Playbox, as well as Ipsy. So I'm subscribed to 3 different little beauty subscriptions, and I love each one for many different reasons. I really like Birchbox because they include a lot of skincare products, which I'm always down to trying new skincare products and stuff like that. I have oily, acne-prone skin, so I'm always on the lookout for something to help me and benefit my skin in any way possible. Airplane. Without further ado, I cannot wait to dive into this puppy, so let's go ahead and do that. Hi, puppy. Okay. Let's get this show on the road, people. And we're opening. Good opening. Oh, alrighty. So for this month's box, this is the front of it. Cute. Okay. And this is the little card that it comes with. Let's see, it says sleep in, do a face mask, go for a hike, take a road trip, call your mom, skip the gym, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna read the rest. But yeah, it comes with a little card and a cute little saying on there. And then it comes with the description of all 5 of the products and the full price, the full size price. So the first thing that I am pulling out of this box is Pink Sugar Eau de Toilette. Enjoy your sweet side. I'm assuming this is a perfume. First item is from Pink Sugar, and I'm assuming that this is a perfume. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yep, little perfume, super cute. Let's see how it smells. Very sugary. It's like, it smells like candy. Yeah, it's definitely very sweet. So I'm not into the whole super overly sweet smelling perfumes, but this would be like fun for Valentine's Day, so I can see why they put that in there. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is, what is this? This is a Luscious lip stain, and this is the brand Juice, and it's in the shade Steaming Red. So this is what it looks like. Give you guys a little swatcheroo. And don't mind my hands and my wrist. I have fake tanner on, and yeah. Okay, so that's the color right there. It's showing up pretty true to color on camera. It's just like a mauvey, yeah, like a mauvey color. That's pretty cute. I think these brands pick like a lot of mauvey tones with their lipsticks and stuff because it's pretty universal. It looks good on pretty much any skin tone, so that's really pretty. I would totally wear that. Okay, the next thing that I see is Daily Concepts, your facial mini scrubber with smart technology. And this is a gentle travel size makeup remover plus exfoliating face scrubber for all skin types. That's really cool. So this is like a facial sponge type thing. And I guess it's an exfoliator as well. It removes your makeup. Like I said earlier, Birchbox is more known for their skincare and stuff like that, so I'm really excited to try this out. Little facial sponge, give myself a nice little facial and little spa night, maybe on Valentine's Day. Okay, the next thing in the box is this high performance hair care super comb prep and protect. This is a hair detangler and protector. So glad that they put one of these in there. You never know when you need a little travel size bottle of detangler, so I'm really happy that they put that in there. And the last and final thing, ooh, MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. This is a MAC, I'm assuming mascara. I've never tried MAC's mascara before, so I'm actually really excited to try this. Wand looks really good too. Yay! So that's really cool. They have like a higher end brand in there. That's really exciting. So I'll read you guys like the prices of everything. So the Daily Concepts facial micro scrubber, the full size is $8. So I don't know if this is the full size or not, but the full size one of these would be $8. That's what it retails for. The Douce lip stain, Dolce. The full size of this retails for $28, so that's pretty expensive. You can see that the lip color is like kind of dried on there, so I mean it's definitely a stain. It's a lip stain. Glad that they put like a matte lipstick in there just right in time for Valentine's Day, because you don't want your lipstick coming off you know, while you're on your date or whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day. And that retails for $28, so it's nice that they put a little sample size of that in there. Okay, so the MAC Cosmetics False Lashes Mascara, the full size would be $23. Number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect Hair Protectant, is the full size bottle would be $32. So I'm very excited to try this, see if it's any good. If it is, I might have to invest in the full size bottle. You never know. I'm very loyal to like my products that I love, so I use the John Frieda Frizzies detangler spray. So I don't know if this is going to beat that, but if it does, I would definitely invest in the full size bottle. Okay, and the Pink Sugar full size of this of the perfume is $45. So smells sweet as sugar when wearing this playful perfume, which blends notes of cotton candy, raspberry, vanilla, and musk. I honestly, this is probably my least favorite thing in the box, just because this is like really overpoweringly sweet, and I don't really, that kind of like gives me a headache a little bit. So probably my least favorite thing in the box, but my favorite thing in the box would have to be either the MAC mascara or the facial sponge scrub thingy. So I'm very excited to try everything that's in this box. I can't wait. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. Leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite product of this month was. If you get BIRCHBOX, or even if you don't, let me know which product in this unboxing that you liked the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave me lots of comments. I love reading the comments. I love responding to the comments. Don't forget to hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button. That way you guys are up on game anytime I post a video. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy videos like this. And I think that's pretty much all that I had to say. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.